I've seen my grandma do it so long, so it kind of instilled in me.
Inside of the kitchen is not an easy environment. The vastness, the fast pace of cooking these different meals is what she's doing right now.
I don't want to cook it too much because it's going to go back in sauce.
Okay.
So I'll cook it for 5 minutes and cook it down in the sauce.
Do you have a specific sauce that you use to cook it down in?
Yeah, so this is going to be, one of them are going to be Alfredo sauce and one will be a rosé. So we do pepper shrimp, that's with the head on, like Jamaica style pepper shrimp. And we also do our spicy shrimp, that's most popular, and coconut shrimp. Mussels come pre-cooked. In general, you can't cook it more than like 4 minutes or it's too rubbery. Within a year, I'm hoping to expand to more of a bar and grill resto vibe. So here we have our barbecue chicken. We pre-bake it and just finish it off on the grill.
You're giving it the marked, then you're putting the barbecue sauce on it. You pre-bake it first.
And then I bake it for about a half an hour, like halfway through.